welcome back. I'm excited about this review because I'm reviewing a wig from a company that I've never ordered hair from before. So I'm super excited. If you're new here, please consider subscribing as I upload almost daily. If you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. If you're an oldie but goodie, y'all know how I have to do human hair. I have to try a company like 3 or 4 times before I add them into my everyday wig rotation or, ordering hair for them for a review. This is my first time ordering a wig from QT Hair. So we will see if they will make the cut. What I'm looking for in this hair is affordability and quality and ease. Okay, affordability because I'm not trying to spend a whole lot of money. They check that box. The quality of the hair, we're about to open it up and see. And ease. Y'all know I can't comb hair, so if I have to do too much work for this wig, we aren't going to like it. So let's hope that QT Hair meets the mark. All I did was take this wig out of its shipping packaging because y'all know I like to do everything on camera with y'all. So let's open up this box and see what QT Hair is on. Okay, they did include some extras. They included some wig caps. And there's a little pack here that has a edge brush, a brush, and a rat tail comb. Okay, so I can get down with that because I really will use these. All right, I ordered a 22-inch 8x5 wig, a glueless wig, and it is a 200 density on this wig. I can't remember what texture I got, but like I said, I'll put it down in the description box. So I just read all that off of this packaging. Okay. Let's see this hair. Oh, those curls are pretty. Oh yeah, y'all, that's really pretty. Look at these curls. That is cute. All right, I'm also excited about this cap construction because I've never had, y'all know I have at this point over 500 wigs probably that I reviewed. No, way more than 500. But I've never had an 8x5. So let's see what an 8x5 is hitting on, okay? That's enough parting space for me to do anything that I would want to do because that's a lot of parting space. They also give us a cone up there on the crown of the wig. In the back, we have a comb. Oh, and let me speak to that too. The combs in both areas are removable, which that's a plus for me in case it doesn't fit too comfortably on my head. So I do love the removable combs. We also have an adjustable glueless band in this unit as well. So off cap construction and ease, I will give QT Hair that. It is this is going to be an easy wig for me. It does not stink, smells good. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this wig on my head, comb out these curls, give you a 360, and we'll come back with my final thoughts on this gorgeous so far unit from QT Hair. Be right back.
We just talk. Can we just talk? Talk about where we're going before we get lost. Let me have thoughts. Can't ever wake up without knowing. I've never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Figure out where we're going. Yeah. Started off right, I can see it in your eyes. I can tell that you want me. What's been on your mind? There's no reason we should hide. Tell me something I ain't heard before. Oh, I've been dreaming about it, and it's you I'm on. So stop thinking about it. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Before we get lost, let me thoughts. Can't wake up now. I've never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving
about this wig from QT Hair. I really like this one. I love the curls on it. I love the ease of this. I love the affordability. First, let's go there. The affordability. The wig was super affordable, so I love that. I love that this was easy. Y'all know, like I say, I cannot comb hair, so I was able to wet this, and this is what we got. I think it looks really, really nice. And the quality, it doesn't have a funky smell. I'm not getting any shedding or tangling, and you might be saying, well, duh, you just took it out of the pack. But we know that I have reviewed hair on here, and it sheds and tangles right out of the pack. Not this one. These curls are, let me pull that down so y'all can see. These curls are so, so pretty. And the hair feels very, very soft and nice. So definitely can recommend this one from QT Hair. Y'all know how I'm going to do it though. Y'all know I'm going to have to get 2 or 3 more wigs from them before we add them to our For Sure Let's Go. But based on this one, can I recommend that you order this wig or any wig from QT Hair? 1000% yes. This was a nice breath of fresh air, and I'm so glad that I'm starting to reach out to different human hair companies instead of the ones that I always go with. QT Hair is a winner, especially this one, y'all. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what your thoughts are on this wig. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.
Can we just